Respect yourself, and others will respect you. The greatest gift you can give someone is your time, attention, and respect. A friend is someone who gives you total freedom to be yourself. The best thing to hold on to in life is each other. Respect yourself enough to walk away from anything that no longer serves you or grows you. Love yourself first, everything else falls into line. You have to love yourself to get anything done in this world. The way you treat yourself sets the standard for others. The best thing to hold on to in life is each other. Love is an act of endless forgiveness, a tender look which becomes a habit. Love is not about possession, it's about appreciation and respect for others' freedom. Respect is the foundation of any relationship. Without it, love is impossible. Friends are the family we choose for ourselves. Respect is one of life's greatest treasures. Cherish it, and it will enrich your life. To love oneself is the beginning of a lifelong romance. You can't force someone to respect you, but you can refuse to be disrespected. Respect is earned, not demanded. Love is felt, not forced. Love is not about finding the right person, but creating the right relationship. Believe you can, and you're halfway there. Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Sometimes loving the wrong person can be a sign you need to work on your own self-esteem. Be the change you want to see in the world. Family is the cornerstone of life. Cherish and nurture it. The wrong person can cause you to doubt your own instincts and judgment. Loving the wrong person can be a reminder of what you truly deserve. The love of a family is life's greatest blessing. In family life, love is the oil that eases friction, the cement that binds closer together, and the music that brings harmony. Family is not an important thing, it's everything. Family means putting your arms around each other and being there.